My teeth, instead of being round, go inward, and got to the point where I was kind of uncomfortable by that, but the only way to fix that would be an expander and all sorts of other things. And then I had like a little bit of an overlap on one of the teeth, and my teeth were very, I guess they didn't look too brittle, but they were pretty brittle enough to where they would break a lot, and they would have to shave them down to make it even. Probably about 6 months or a year before my wedding, I got married in November. I had kind of talked to him about all those other things that I was saying with, you know, how could I fix this? How could I fix these small problems? And the solution was kind of big, except for veneers, which is also a big solution, but it's permanent and nicer. So he kind of told me the whole process, and I was a little unsure of it, and I was concerned that they'd look fake because of the way my teeth were. He actually kept some of the shape the same, except the material the tooth is made out of obviously is better just because it's harder and thicker. They match your veneers to your teeth so they don't look fake, which is nice, because then I don't want them too white, so that way if your other teeth, you know, shade different color, they're not going to look out of the ordinary or anything. He really took his time with it. The whole, even just the coloring, the putting the temporaries on, and then the time in between, and making sure in between when you know, had the temporaries on, you still weren't uncomfortable and it didn't look ridiculous or anything. That was nice too, and like I said, he ultimately will ask you over a lot, you know, do you like this? Do you want to change anything here? The color is a little bit better, a little bit clearer, whiter. They're straighter in the front. They don't look very brittle. And when I smile, my type of smile, really only the front 8 or 10 teeth show anyway. So to me, I mean, when I look at pictures, it is different. Oh, I mean, everyone thinks they're great. I actually learned that I have a coworker who got it done by Dr. Engelberg too. And so we were talking about it, and I mean, she loves the practice and everything too.